Hello everyone, I hope you're doing fine today, and if you're watching this video then I'm going to tell you an amazing function of Microsoft Excel. It's one of the most widely used function in Microsoft Excel for last 5 to 6 years, and it is very helpful and it saves time. So Microsoft Excel has a wide variety of functions and formulas. This is one of them and it is called Vlookup. Alright, I have that. Let's not just waste more time and get to the computer screen. And I have a data here of multiple candidates where the candidate name is mentioned, their scores are mentioned, regiment number is mentioned, phone number is mentioned, and credit hour is also mentioned. So what we're gonna do, if I have an assignment that these are the candidates and against these candidates I need these details. And if I go manually searching from the data, it will take hours or a lot of time. So in order to save the time, we will use the Vlookup function. It's very easy and it's very handy. So first of all, we need to make sure that data we are looking for should be on the left side of the desired column. So I'll press is equal to Vlookup. Alright, I'll use the tab button to select it, and I'll select all the lookup values. I'll select all the range. Then I'll use comma. And what is the table array? Table array would be the data from where I'll be looking at. Scores are on number 2 column, 3 column is regiment, 4 column is phone number, and 1 is credit. So I'll select the whole data and press comma, column index. This is basically the main thing, column index. For example, I need to look for the scores, and it is first one is the candidate and second one is scores. So I'll select 2 comma range lookup. So either it's true or false. I'll press 0 for the false, so that this formula stops looking for more references. I'll close the brackets and press enter, and boom. When we are using formulas in Excel, we need to make sure that range is locked. I'll select this range and press F4 button on the keyboard to lock the range. So scores are here. Now I'll copy the formula. Regiment was on number 3. I'll change the column index only, number 3. Perfect. And number 4 was the phone number. Column index will be changed to number 4. And credit was on number 5. Column index was 5. I've changed it accordingly. So that's pretty much. So let's just verify that phone number of Roger 36 is correct or not. I'll copy both information, go to the main sheet, put it right here, and I'll try to verify that. So I'll use the find function. Alright, I'll find here Roger 36. This is Roger 36 and its phone number is 1094396925, and exactly the same details. And in order to re-verify it, I'll copy the regiment number and go to book 2, and I'll paste it here. Alright, so I'll make it in a numbers format, and Roger 36's regiment number is 2574. It's exactly the same. So that's how Vlookup can save you a lot of time, and it's 100% accurate if used correctly. If you like the video, then give it a big thumbs up and tell me in which part of the world you're watching this video, and was this helpful or not. Bye bye.